All right, bigger windows, deeper slide out, and more standard features. All that's available on this 2019 Keystone Hideout 262RES at Collier RV. So let's take a walk around this hideout. It's just under 31 feet, under 8,000 pounds, very well equipped little fifth wheel. So up front, you got the Hitch Vision, which is patented by Keystone. So I know on a lot of these bigger crew cabs, it can be pretty difficult when you're hitching up to see where the kingpin is. This will help be able to look in the mirror. You have storage on all three sides up front, nice lights under here, and you have electric jacks on the front and rear. A propane tank on each side with an automatic switchover. Nice clean pass-through storage with two lights in here, and then just nice and finished off very well by Keystone. New upgrades on the 2019 Hideout. They've added grab handle, a friction hinge door, so you can stop that at any point you want. And then they've added the nice MORride flip-up steps. So when you're done camping, you can just put these up. So they're more secure when they're down, and then it's just a lot less likely to rust when it's up inside the camper. Aluminum wheels are also standard on the Hideout. And then on all your Hideout fifth wheels, they're going to come with a camp kitchen. So you'll get a 2-burner cooktop and a little mini fridge. And then, of course, all the good stuff of outside speakers, power awning, light under the awning, all that good stuff. So, again, all standard equipment on Keystone, roof ladder, backup camera prep, and an outside shower, as well as a spare tire. This Hideout's a little unique. I'm not sure what the backstory is, but we actually got this with 2 airs. So 30-foot camper with 2 airs, so you could hang meat if you want. But with the 2 airs, you get a 50 amp service. So very cool. And if you can tell on the slide out box, you know, all these big windows, and then this is a rack and pinion design underneath, so very solid, strong system, and it just allows for a nice deep and tall slide out room. All right, your water connections are all over here. You will have a black tank flush. And you do have a little area for solar prep if you wanted to add a panel outside. All right, let's check out the inside of this Hideout. Okay, really cool layout. Like I said, you know, the nice 6-foot tall slide out, huge panoramic windows. The other thing to note on the Hideout series, these are tinted glass windows. I know a lot of brands have gone to basically completely non-tinted windows. So this will help keep the camper cooler. It'll help your furniture hold up better. It'll give you a small degree of privacy. So the back wall, you got nice storage. And then they add a nice big window that will open, even some overhead cabinets. All right, about the biggest TV you'll find in an RV, and that's on a swing arm, so you can watch that from the table and chairs or from the couch. This couch, a nice wide couch, but this is a trifold, so not your traditional jackknife that makes a small bed. This is a trifold. This will come out right to about here, and you could sleep 2 people if you're bringing kids, grandkids, adult friends. Little bit upgraded refrigerator in that it's an 8 cubic foot versus a 6, so you get an extra shelf, a little extra room, and that will run on gas or electric. You have the nice chef-inspired Furrion stove and range top, so 3-burner cooktop on top, otherwise the glass surface for an extra little bit of counter space, and then you just have the cool little lights that are added. All right, and then you have an undermount sink, and you have the nice sink cover on here. Storage under here for a trash can. Nice deep drawers. And then you have a central vacuum system, which is pretty unique. And Hideout's one of the only brands we carry that does that, that's under, you know, $60,000. So that's nice. You can clean out your truck, keep the camper nice and clean. Hideout construction-wise, they would do in-floor heat. So if you notice the heat ducts, so you'll have a nice even airflow. Otherwise, majority of RV makers, they route off the furnace a bunch of tubes, and it just ends up being pretty uneven. And then you have this nice area. We have a little stand, a couple electrical outlets, and then just all this nice storage. All right, let's check out upstairs. I wanted to point out on the monitor panel, so pretty much can control everything from here. Air conditioning, slide out, your awning, most of your lights, but you have a gas and electric water heater, not just a gas, so that's nice. You can save some propane if you have a full hookup at a campground. Bathroom's been redesigned for 2019, so you got a nice big shower. So this is 42 by 30. So if you're looking at like a Montana real high-end fifth wheel, you're gonna get a 48 by 30. So really nice size on a smaller, you know, under 8,000 pound fifth wheel. Porcelain toilets an upgrade, and then they even put in a nice little mirrored medicine cabinet. All right, let's check out the bedroom. All right, so you get a walk around queen bed, a little nightstand on the one side, good overhead storage, and then I like that Hideout adds 2 windows here for good cross ventilation and view. And here's your second air conditioner, so you will, I promise you, will have no problem keeping this cool even in hotter climates. All right, big wardrobe. And then if you wanted to put a TV in the bedroom, you have all the necessary wiring, and then there should be a plate right behind this wall, so just buy a bracket, put on a TV. Should be awesome watching from the bedroom. All right, so if you're interested, give us a call or check us out on the web. Otherwise, we have about 50 or more fifth wheels in stock at any given time. So check us out at collierrv.com. Thanks for watching.